One of the island boys is starting the new year from behind bars, and authorities are now shedding light on what led to his latest arrest. Franky Venegas, one half of the viral rap duo that rose to fame in 2021, was taken into custody in Florida just days before the new year. Law enforcement records confirm the arrest as tied to alleged drug-related offenses. According to a sheriff's incident report obtained by media outlets, Venegas was riding in a vehicle with a female companion when deputies initiated what began as a routine traffic stop. Officers noted that both occupants appeared unusually nervous, which reportedly prompted a search of the vehicle. During that search, deputies allegedly discovered several pills inside a plastic bag. Among them was zolpidem tartrate, commonly known by the brand name Ambien, which authorities say was not prescribed to Venegas. Other medications found in the bag were reportedly prescribed to the woman in the vehicle. Investigators also claim they recovered drug paraphernalia that tested positive for fentanyl. Items allegedly included a cut straw and Venegas's debit card, which deputies say was coated with a white powder that later tested positive for the opioid. Venegas was booked into the Collier County Jail in Naples on Wednesday night and charged with possession of drug paraphernalia. A booking photo shows the rapper with his distinctive facial tattoos. The woman accompanying him was also arrested and charged in connection with possession of the unprescribed medication. Court records indicate Venegas was not immediately eligible for bond due to an existing legal hold. He is currently out on bond in a separate case stemming from a February arrest involving allegations related to a firearm with an altered serial number. Franky and his twin brother Alex Venegas became internet sensations after their song "I'm an Island Boy" went viral on social media, propelling them into mainstream attention almost overnight. This is not Venegas's first encounter with law enforcement. He has previously been arrested on charges including domestic battery, reckless driving, and operating a vehicle without a valid driver's license. As with all criminal cases, the allegations have not yet been proven in court, and Venegas is presumed innocent unless and until a conviction is reached.
Following the booking, Franky Venegas remained housed at the Collier County Jail due to a legal hold connected to a separate, ongoing criminal case. Jail records indicate the hold prevented his immediate release, regardless of the bond status tied to the new charge. The legal hold stems from an earlier arrest in February, when Venegas was taken into custody on allegations involving a firearm. Court records from that case list charges related to the delivery, possession, or sale of a firearm with an altered serial number. That case remains active, and no final resolution has been publicly recorded. Because of the hold, Venegas's most recent arrest triggered additional procedural steps within the county jail system. Defendants who are arrested while already on bond for a prior case are often subject to detention until a judge reviews the circumstances of both matters. Law enforcement officials have not released body camera footage or dash camera video related to the traffic stop at this time. The details available to the public come primarily from the written sheriff's incident report and jail booking documentation. The arrest did not involve allegations of distribution or trafficking related to the substances referenced in the report. The charge filed against Venegas in this case is limited to possession of drug paraphernalia, according to county records. Authorities also did not report any injuries, vehicle damage, or pursuit associated with the traffic stop. The encounter was documented as a standard stop that escalated following observations made by deputies at the scene. Venegas's brother and fellow Island Boys member, Alex Venegas, was not present during the incident and has not been listed in connection with this arrest. No charges were filed against him in relation to the traffic stop or subsequent search. Public court databases show that Venegas has had multiple prior encounters with law enforcement over the years, separate from the current case and the February firearm-related case. Those past matters occurred at different times and under different circumstances. Since achieving viral fame, the Island Boys have remained active on social media platforms, where their personal lives and legal issues have often drawn public attention. However, no statements from Venegas or his legal representation have been entered into court records regarding the latest arrest as of this reporting. Prosecutors have not announced whether additional charges may be considered, and no court date has been publicly confirmed for the drug paraphernalia case. Any future hearings will be scheduled through the Collier County court system. As with all criminal proceedings, the outcome of both the current charge and the prior firearm-related case will be determined through the judicial process. Until then, all allegations remain unresolved. This report reflects only information confirmed through law enforcement documentation, jail records, and publicly accessible court data available at the time of publication.